Hey, what's going on, everybody? You got the old Mongo Man over here at Teddy's place, an undisclosed location somewhere near the house. We got the old Stormtrooper back here at home. As you saw, it no longer has a hood. Yeah, make sure you ratchet strap the hoods down. Don't bungee them. That's not a good thing. We learned that the hard way. So this one's home. Let's take a look at what else is in here. Got one over there. Got a Hell Kitty under there. And you guys, you can't see what color it is, but you've all seen that one. That was best of show this year at the car show. The Hellcat under here. I don't even know what that is. What is that? That's a dart, right? What is that? That's a big one. It's got a set of steamrollers under the back of it. Oh, I might get hurt. Good looking car, Teddy.
That's the next piece.
Hopefully we see this one next year at the car show.
There's one sitting outside the door.
Oh, we're gonna open this one up. You guys have all seen this car. I did a little quick short on it. 1966 Satellite, 318 car. Satellite Sport. This one has now come home to live with Teddy. Yeah, the last time we saw this one, it wasn't running. That's a cute little car, man.
A very nice car. Aztec, New Mexico is the part inside of it.
That's where it came from?
Yep.
Clean. All right, everybody, that's it for the old Stormtrooper. Teddy's happy, I'm happy. I'm gonna get down the road. We got other stuff to do. Thanks for watching.